Hello, good morning, fam. Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever the time zone you are turning into, you are watching the video. I greet you all. Happy new month. May the blessing and happiness and glory of this month be ours. May we succeed in our trading and any other skills we are into. You already know my name is Aboeji001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you will be the first person to watch the video. You already know what we do. You already know what we are doing in this platform, and you already know what we are up to in this platform. Since since you know what we are doing, today is Monday, and today is the beginning of the month. So what we are doing now, let's just see what is happening in the chart. But you know that we started from fundamental analysis to see maybe there is high impact news. You can see what is happening to Iran, USA, and Israel. They are attacking Iran. So definitely, some countries, some people, some investors will be panicked. They'll be diverting their money into their investing into the gold. And let's quickly see what is happening. You understand? You already know, please. If you start watching the video, please don't. I beg you to watch the video to the end so that you will learn one or two things. You understand? You understand? Please, please, I beg you. And and what? Let just calm down and be patient to see what is happening for today. Let's move to fundamental analysis, which is Forex Factory. Let's see what is happening on Forex Factory. This is Forex Factory, and there is high impact news, which means USD dollar. You already know USD. There are around 4 o'clock. There is USD news, which let's see ISM manufacturing PMI. Let's see maybe there is high impact news. They say actual is greater than the forecast is good for the currency. They said if actual is greater than the forecast is good for the currency. And as I used to say, that news did not create trend. News just continue, they follow the recent trend and continue the trend. If market is in that trend, if news came out, it will just sweep the liquidity and continue the trend. But news did not create trend. What we used to do for the news is that 15 minutes before the news, we move away from the market, and 15 minutes or 30 minutes after the news, we can enter the market back to continue the trend. You understand? But it's advisable that if the news came out, it is advisable for you that you should wait when the liquidity is swept. If you see liquidity swept, definitely you can join the market and continue the trend. Let's quickly go into the market and see what the let's see our daily our what our analysis and see what the market has for us. You already know on Monday. On Monday, we used to start like maybe weekly and daily. We said weekly and daily analysis together because we used to start from monthly time frame. We used to start from monthly time frame. Seriously, you already know I started from here. What XAGUSD, which is good. Let's see what gold is up. Let's gold is doing. Let's what gold is doing. This is good for monthly time frame. This is for monthly time frame, and you can see we are in the uptrend. This is our key level. If market is retracing, coming back, this is where it will first mitigated before anything. If this quadrilateral is coming here, if this quadrant hold it is coming here, and this way is coming, push it down. But it's not. It will not happen now. Let's move to the weekly time frame to see what weekly is trying to tell us. You can see this is weekly time frame. This is our swing, our key level resistance and our key level support. These are our previous key level resistance, which market out has mitigated and continue the bullish. If weekly is telling us we are in bullish, definitely what we are going to do on daily time frame, 4 hours time frame, and 1 hour time frame is just analysis time frame. Since we have plotted our key level on this higher time frame mostly and weekly, we move to what? We move to daily time frame. This is what is happening on daily time frame. You can see this is our what? This is our swing high. We only just choose the swing high and the swing low on daily time frame. This is our swing low. This is our recent swing, and you can see the market. Market is in between the both swing high and what and the swing low. what we are, and we're gonna move to what, 4 hours time frame. This 4 hour time frame, you can see this is our supply, this is our recent supply on 4 hour time frame, that if market mitigated it, it may react or it may not react. And if you see on 4 hour time frame, we just see what, we just we just continue the trend. You can see what 4 hours is telling us. 4 hours is telling us we are in what, we are in uptrend. Definitely what we are going to do is just to continue the trend. And if we can plot, if we plotted this, this is our last break of structure. This is our last break of structure we, that market gave us. And our what, our demand will be here, but all this demand has already been mitigated, which means there is no opportunity there over there. But we can see this, or this is, there is FEG here, which is other block. We can plot here as an opportunity, as an opportunity. But what is the recent opportunity? You can see there is FEG here. That FEG is valid, in which market is coming back to that FEG to close that FEG and continue the bullish. We are in bullish, but what we are doing now is just to see where we can see the opportunity to buy. Seriously, we just see where the opportunity to buy. Now, since we are see what since we are see the recent trend, or what, on 4 hours time frame, and this is the supply 4 hours time frame is giving us, which is market is reacting to this supply, and this supply has not give the opportunity. You understand? Market is inside the supply. You now move to what, 1 hour to divide the market. This is 1 hour. You can see what 1 hour is telling us. 1 hour is what is in this supply also. And what 4 hours is, what 1 hour is telling us, this is a recent break of structure on 1 hour. You can see the recent break of structure on 1 hour. This is the recent break of structure on 1 hour. And this break of structure is telling us, and it has key level, you understand? It has other block. Seriously. But the other block, we are going to choose 4 hours because there's FEG. And if market leave a gap, definitely the market is coming back to fill the gap before continuing the trend, or before continuing the trend. So our opportunity is in that FEG, because market is going to sweep this liquidity. That other blocks we serve as that other block that give us, we serve as liquidity, and market will come back here, continue the uptrend, and our stop loss will be low. It will be below of this week candle. Since we have seen it on what, on 1 hour time frame, let's now go to 15-minute time frame, our entry. This is 15-minute time frame, and you can see the 15-minute time frame, in which what, market is coming back to this FEG, what, to the market is coming back to this FEG before continuing uptrend. So this is what we have for good. That is it. That's it. The only thing is that you just need to what? You just need to continue to follow the trend. If you follow the trend, definitely we be profitable, seriously. But sometimes there is loss, because it's like business. If you take the trade as business, definitely the phobia of not losing, we leave you, seriously. So let's move to XAGUSD, which is Silver USD. This is Silver USD. Silver and gold, they move together. Seriously. If gold is in bullish, silver will be bullish. If silver is in downtrend, gold will be downtrend. And you can see on monthly time frame as usual, this is our uptrend. This is the last higher high market created. This is that higher. This is key level. That if market is coming back, this is first key level, this is the second level, and this is the third key level. And if you can see this is what, this is bullish. Market is telling us bullish. Let's move to weekly time frame. Since we have drawn our key level on monthly time frame, there is nothing to do on monthly time frame and weekly time frame. You just to see the general view, the general overview of the market. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. And what we do on weekly time frame is just our what our recent key level resistance, key level support, and key level and previous key level resistance. You can see these are our recent key level resistance, and these are key level support, and these are previous key level resistance. And you can see market swept this liquidity, mitigated this FEG on weekly time frame. Definitely what we are in uptrend. The market is telling us we are in uptrend. Let's now move to daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. What we do on daily time frame, we do not disturb ourselves on daily time frame. We just plotted our what recent key level, recent swing high, and recent swing low. And this is our what? This is our recent swing high. And this is our what? This is our recent what? Swing low. That is it. That is it. And you can see market is in between the what? Market is in between the both. And this is what the market gave us on daily time frame. This is the last break of structure, because market this is the last break of structure. And this is other block. You can see this is other block. And in which on daily time frame, market is telling us what? Market is telling us change of character, which means we are in what? We are in bullish. The market is in bullish. If market can give us change of character on what? On daily time frame, definitely what? We are in what? We are in bullish. You can see market broken that market broken this with what? With full body candle. We just need to take the opportunity seriously, because what market is telling us now is just to take the recent opportunity. We just need to take the recent. This is the recent. This is the what? This is the what? This is our other block that give us what? That break the candle. So market is coming back. Market is coming down here. Continue the bullish. That is it. Because market is in uptrend. If we say we are finding the opportunity here, for market to retrace back, it will what? It will be. But let's just see what 4 hours is telling us. This is 4 hours. You can see this is 4 hours. 4 hours is telling us we are in bullish. And if we said we should plot the recent break of structure that give us what? That give us this change of character. This is the last break of structure that give us the change of character. And this is what? This is our other block. Definitely market is what? Market is coming back here to continue what? To continue the bullish. To continue what? To continue the bullish. And this is our what? This is our supply. Let's see if this supply is going to push the market down. If the supply push the market down, definitely we are the other block, this change of character other block was we put the we what we continue the trend. But if the market broken this place, definitely the market is coming back here to continue the uptrend. But as for now, let's see what the market but let's choose here, because the market still have some room to some unblock to mitigate it to mitigate. Sorry for the English. To mitigate, it's not mitigated. We use mitigated as if the opportunity has already mitigated, and that's what we said mitigated. But mitigate, he said it has not mitigated it. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to redefine the opportunity. This is 1 hour time frame, and 1 hour time frame, you can see the 1 hour time frame is giving us what? Recent change of recent what? Recent break of structure. This is it. Recent break of structure. This is it. But I'm still waiting for the opportunity on 4 hours here, because the opportunity on 4 hours is what? Is valid. It's valid to push the market up seriously. Let's wait here. On 1 hour, we just divide the market. You can say on 1 hour sef, you can take our entry on 1 hour. But why we cannot take, why some don't take the entry on 1 hour is because what? The stop loss is too large. Seriously. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see the recent opportunity on 15-minute time frame. This is the recent opportunity of 15-minute time frame. You can see the market is coming back. Let's see and wait. Let's see if the market can come back, if it can come back here and continue what? And continue the bullish. That is it. This is what we have on what? On gold and silver. Let's move to US 30. Let's see what US 30. If you know the what why they call it that commodity US 30 is because there are 30 country, there are 30 company USA, there are 30 company in USA that match together. That's why they call it US 30. Yes, those are the 30 country, 30 companies that are controlling the pair. You understand? I will try. I'll be doing some video, and I'll be telling you what is happening with seriously, because now it's like fam, it's like so this is monthly time frame. Seriously, the monthly time frame, you already know this is our key level here. Market has already mitigated, this is our key level here, but there is FEG, you can see if market can come back here, but these are our recent key level, and we are in what monthly time frame is telling us uptrend. We have no the general overview of the market is telling us uptrend, and weekly time frame, these are what these are resistance, these are our key level resistance here, these are our key level support here, but this is because this is the last break of structure. This is the recent break of structure here. But we can see what the market is doing. Market swept this liquidity, mitigated this previous key level. But let's see what is happening on what on daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is daily time frame. You already know what we do on daily time frame. This is our what? Our swing high and our swing low. And this is our demand. This is our demand on what? On this swing low. This is our demand, you can see, but this demand has already been touched what multiple times. This is the first time, this is the second time, which means it has turned to what it has turned to liquidity. That is why the market came back to this to mitigate this place before continuing. I had stop loss this morning sef, one point 30 something dollar. I lost 1.22 early this morning, seriously. I see the opportunity, but I think that the market has started to continue the bullish, but unfortunately, the market started giving me profit. Unfortunately, the market started reversing back, and I thought the market is going to go back, because I've said this place is already what is already liquid. This place is already, because it has touched it multiple times, and I've said this place is an opportunity for me. Seriously, that's why, and the market take be back. The market this mean $2. Instead of I should close the entry, but I leave it. I want it to hit my TP. So the market take the market take the profit and take the loss back. This morning I've chopped on 1.36 dollar. So I'm finding the opportunity to what to enter again. But if I don't see opportunity, I will not enter again. So let's continue our trade. Let's continue our analysis. Let's continue our analysis. Since we have choose our what our swing low and swing high on daily time frame, you already know that there's nothing we can do. We can't do on there's nothing. So what we are doing, so this morning it paid me, but I know that is high. But I've been finding opportunity for me here, but there's nothing I can do for the market. So I just continue the market. So let's move to one. Since we have see on 4 hours, you can see on 4 hours. This is the what? This is the recent. This is the trade I took. This is the trade analysis like last week, but I did not take it. But this is last break of structure, you can see. But as for now, we can say this is our last break of structure here. This is our last break of structure here. This is our last break of structure, and this is our FEG here. This is our FEG here. Because this is what the market is giving us. The market is giving us downtrend. You can see there's FEG, so there's so let's move to what? Let's move to let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour. You can see what this is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. We define the market on 1 hour time frame. So you can see after you define the market, this is the last break of structure. This is the last week of structure here. So let's see if the market is going to respect this small opportunity before continuing. But as for me, the market is what? The market is in the uptrend. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. You can see the opportunity to take the trade on 15-minute time frame. This is the last break of structure. This is the so let's just wait and see what is happening. Let's wait and see what is happening. Because on 1 hour time frame, what are we seeing on 1 hour time frame? This is what we are seeing on 1 hour time frame, because this is last break of structure on 1 hour time frame. Because but we must be patient too for this man, for this trade. We must be patient, seriously, because patience is the key to success. You must be patient. So this is what I'm seeing. This is the last break of structure, and this is what is happening. So this is FEG. Market mitigated this FEG downtrend. So let's see what is happening. But the liquidity, the market has solved this liquidity. Definitely the market is in uptrend. So we guys be patient, seriously. We guys be, if you see change of character here, if market feel this we can say because there's another change of character here. So let's just be patient and see what the market is trying to do. So this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing sell. I'm seeing sell on the, if you don't like this, I'm seeing sell. So this sell, we guys be patient. We guys be patient because market will mitigate this FEG before continuing. So this sell may this FEG may dish us sell. Seriously, this FEG may dish us sell. Seriously. But the sell is not too much. You just expected the sell will not too much. You just expected the FEG before what? Before continue the bullish. But let's let's see, maybe there's FEG on 1 hour time frame. Let's see this FAG. So this is what we have. Let's move to GBPUSD, GU. See this pair is what? This is what is happening on this pair. You can see this is our key level here. This is our key level here, and this is the key level market. What straight the liquidity continue the uptrend. But this is where we are expecting the market to mitigate it before anything. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is what weekly time. This is our swing, our key level. Which market has mitigated, and this is our another key level here. This is our key level here. So let's just move to what daily time frame. These are key level. All these ones are already mitigated. So it's just not. Let's move to daily. So our daily, since we have seen what general overview is telling us, we are in uptrend, but this is correctional movement. But on daily time, the daily time frame, this is what daily time frame is telling us. These are our swing low. You can see this is our swing low, and this is our swing high. These are saying that this is the last break of structure. You can see this is the last break of structure, and this is what this is the what this is the man that created this higher high. So this is our swing low, and this is our swing high. What is happening on this swing between them is what is correctional movement. You can see market is trying to go down. So, but I will say if markets want to go up, definitely it should this liquidity mitigated this FEG and continue downtrend, because there is opportunity. What there is opportunity here. This is the other block, because this is the last break of structure, and this is where opportunity is. So let's move to 4 hours and see the recent 4 hours. This is the recent trend on 4 hours. On 4 hours, this is the recent trend. You can see here, this is the demand. You can see the internal break of structure. This is the demand. You can see the internal, this is the demand that gave us this intermediate, and definitely market is in this what this serve as liquidity, because this is inducement. This serve as liquidity. So I'm expecting the market to come back to this demand to give us the what to give us the buy. But this way I'm expecting the market to continue the uptrend. So let's move to 4 hours time frame. Our 4 hours is supposed to continue the recent trend. You can see the recent trend in the market for the market give us is giving us or is giving us a downtrend. And this is the downtrend. This is the last break of structure, and you can see market just give us what inducement here. So let's see if the market can come to this demand and continue the bullish. This is where demand I'm expecting the market to give us the bullish, because this serve as liquidity for me. This will serve as liquidity for me. It's the one that's pushed, because it's the internal break of structure. It's the one that broke the market. It's the one that broke. It's trying to push the market up. So let's just see what is happening. on 1 hour time frame to redefine the entry. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. You can see market is in between here. So we can say market can come back here because this is the last break of structure, because you can see change of character. Let's use Fibonacci retracement to see the valid opportunity. Market may retrace what 0.2. So this is an opportunity here. So we can say market can come back here. Markets will come back here to give us what? To give us the bearish. Other block. This is another break of structure, yes, on 1 hour time frame. On 4 hours there, I see it's another break of structure. On 4 hours, this is another break of structure. Market has mitigated it, but there is opportunity here. This is where the opportunity is. This is where the opportunity is, because this is the last break of structure. This is the change of character. So this place, I'm expecting the market to mitigate, to sell this liquidity before continue the uptrend. So let's see what's happening on 1 hour time frame. This is what's happening on 1 hour time frame. If we can see the bearish trend. So this is what I'm looking for on what? On 1 hour time frame. So this is what I'm looking for on 1 hour time frame. And let's see if the market is going to give us. So let's move to EU. They move the same thing, but EU is not, it's just moving with liquidity. From monthly time frame, you can see this is where we are expecting the market to come. These are key level here. And market has not mitigated each. Sorry for that. Let's move to weekly time frame. This weekly time frame, these are key level resistance. Here you can see market is on that key level. And these are key level these are key level support, which market has mitigated it. So let's move to daily time frame. These are our swing low, these are our swing high. This is the last break of structures. You can see where the market is. Market is in between. So let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's move to 4 hours. This 4 hours, you can see the recent trend of hours. Market is in this downtrend. This downtrend is what? Is correctional movement. You can see this last change of character. This is the last break of structure, but there's FEG here. This serves as liquidity for me. I'm expecting the market to push it up to clear this liquidity before anything. But this is what we are expecting the market. Let's see if we can see the bullish from here. All these are liquidity, seriously. All these are liquidity. Market is going to sweat. But this is liquidity down. This is the liquidity. So I'm expecting the market to come down before before giving us the bullish here. So let's see what the market has for us. But market might come up here, clear this liquidity and continue the downtrend. So we do not know what market is doing for now, because market is just creating liquidity. Let's move to let's move to 1 hour time frame, and there is no news on EU and GU. If there is a news, we say that this is what is going to happen. On 1 hour time frame, you can see what is happening on 1 hour time frame. Market mitigated this way, continue. They're trying to give us the bearish, but market did not. So this is what market is doing now. Market is trying to give us uptrend, but I do not have appetite to go to take this trade. On 15-minute time frame, this month I promised myself that I don't want to take any illegal trade seriously. Like, I just want to take legitimate trade. At this is my demand, this is my order block. If market came back here, sell the liquidity, take the sell. If market came back here, sell this liquidity, take the buy. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm expecting now. This month, that's what I'm expecting. Anything that will let me just be taking entry anyhow, it has go with previous month, February, which is February. So let's move to uh, this is what is happening on UG UJ. This analysis is from Friday. Seriously, this analysis is from Friday. Seriously, this analysis I've analyzed it since Friday. So let me see. Maybe there is opportunity here, sef. Market and mitigate. This is where the opportunity is. Let's start from multi time frame. This is our multi time frame. You can see this is our key level. This is our key level here. The market is in between this key level. You can see this is what this is the support turn to resistance and market turn it again. So let's move to weekly time frame. Let's see what is weekly time frame. You can see this is the weekly. This is the key level. Market touches it very well, and these are key level here. I will say this as liquidity. The market has just give us. I don't know. Sorry for that. Let's move to let's move to daily time frame. You can see opportunity on daily time frame. This is daily time frame. This is where I'm expecting the market to mitigate. This is the supply. This serves as liquidity for me because it did not touch everything. It did not touch that place. But if you can see the market, this is the swing high, this is the swing low. But now, this is the swing low now. You can see our market is in what is in between the swing high and the swing low. So what we are doing now, is just to take the trade, to take the market, to take the opportunity and continue the trend. This is what the market is trying to give us. This is a last break of structure, and this is FEG here. Market created, and this is where I'm expecting the market to come back last week, but market couldn't come back to this. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what is 4 hours. This is 4 hours, and on 4 hours. This is last break of structure. Market mitigated this 4 hours break of structure. After market mitigated it, you can see market is trying to give us what? It's trying to give us bullish. That's the bullish the market is giving us. And now we have what? We have break of structure now. This is the break of structure we have now. You can see this is the break of structure, internal break of structure. And this is the internal break of structure. After this internal break of structure, let's move to 1 hour and see what the market is telling us. Because the what the market is telling us, let's see, just see. This is trying to push down. This supply is trying about this. This is liquidity as for me. This is liquidity. Let's see 1 hour time frame. Let's see where the opportunity is on 1 hour time frame. You can see the 1 hour time frame. This is where the 1 hour time frame tells us. But the opportunity, I'm just pricing this up because this place serves as liquidity. Let's use our Fibonacci retracement and see if we can see the opportunity here. If market retreats to here is valid because this is what is this? This is 61.80. It is valid. Seriously, this place is valid. Let's just take our opportunity here. This way we are taking the opportunity. We have other block here. And this is what if market here since we have this market has give us this profit. This is where the market is going. Market is going to this is liquidity for me. Seriously, this is liquidity. But let's see this. This is bullish. You can see USA is in bullish. You can see US since you can see what US is trying. US is supporting Iran, and you can see their currency what is bullish. So people because it's what it what people will be trying to run to gold also. So let's just see, this is our entry. We are taking this buy from there. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what 15 minute. You can see 15-minute time frame is telling us we should buy. But there is FEG here opposite. This will serve as liquidity. But let's just see what is happening. If you said we should take the trade from here, we are taking the trade from here because this place is also valid. This is 61.80. It's also valid. Seriously. So it's 1.80 is also valid. So let's 15-minute time frame is telling us that we have FEG down. Yes, we have FEG. I can see the FEG, which means this server, this all this place has liquidity. All this server has liquidity. But let's just see let's take the opportunity here. Because this is a day now. This is today. So you can not say let's just continue the trend, man, for there. For 1 hour time frame, let's continue the trend from here. Yes, let's continue the trend from here. So this is what we have on UJ. Let's move to GJ. I think GJ did not open the market itself. Is there a bank holiday today? Let's see, maybe there's bank holiday today. JPY. JPY. There is no bank holiday today. Now, why DJ is not open today? Why DJ is not open today? Let's me refresh this. Because I'm surprised. Let me see my MT5. Let's see my brokers. My brokers. Let's see what they maybe they open the market today. Well, I don't know what happened to the trading field. The market supposed to open today now. DJ is open. I don't know what happened to the trading view. This is it now. I don't know what happens to trading view. Seriously. Let me see another broker on trading view. Maybe can take. We can see this is the DJ. And this is the market I took this morning. You can see. I cannot see me. I don't know. Maybe you can see it. You can see the last red. So those blue now is $1, $2. So let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. Let's see the opportunity. Let's continue. Let's continue our analysis. Let's continue our analysis. So DJ, let's see. Maybe I can see another broker. This is FS. Let's see. Let's see Oando. Maybe there's Oando is working today. GBP, JPY. Oando. You can see Oando is working. So the other face that's not working. Let's see what let's see what they cook. We start from monthly time frame again from here. Seriously. Because that monthly time frame for FS I've analyzed it. So seriously, but it's good. It's good. Let's continue this trend. For monthly time frame, these are what this monthly time frame, these are key level. Market is. You can see this is where the market is. These are monthly key level, and these are another key level. Key level here. And this you can see this is key level also here. You can see the market has touched it several times. This is key level. No, this is the key level. You can see the key level right there. And this is the last key level I'm expecting the market to respect it. If market is coming in bearish, the market will respect this key level. Key level means where the market started retracing. on higher time frame. You can see this is the way the market started increasing on higher time frame. You can see market trace back, and you can see this place. This is where the market is trace. Market swept it, market is trace back. You can see this place is also key level, but you cannot take this video. But this is only just the major one where the market has already mitigated several times. And this place you can see this is key level. This is where market is trace, and you can see market reach there. Market respected it. If market broken this place, it's coming to this place. So that's our key level. For those people that are asking why this key level, I just like to plot it before the analysis. But and on weekly time frame, what we are doing on weekly time frame, our key level on weekly time frame will be here. If we say the market is coming on weekly time frame, this is another key level on weekly time frame here. Market may respect this place before anything because there is key level here. You can see this is where we are expecting the market on key level and before the monthly key level. So if market reach there, it may react anyhow. So let's just see our recent key level over here. This is our recent key level here. Delete. Horizontally. Horizontally. This is our key level here. You can set our key level, and we can set this our key level also. 1, 2, 3. This is our key level also. This is our key level also. This is where you can see this is our key level. This is where the markets try to retrace, and this is our key level also. This you can see this is where the market try to retrace down, and this is where the market try to retrace down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is where the market try to retrace. So these are key level. This our key level also. So market is in between. Let's move to 4 hours daily time frame. Daily time frame. This is the demand. You can see this is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure, and this let's say break of structure. And this are what our swing high and swing low. This are our swing low. This are our swing high here. And all this what is happening here is our liquidity. After market mitigated this demand zone. This demand zone is trying to push it up. You can see this demand zone is trying this demand zone has tried to push it up. But what we are doing now is sure to find the opportunity. This is a break of structure. You can see market is in between the what swing high and the swing low. This is what this is swing low and this is swing high. So this is the monthly time frame that is trying to push the market down several times. You can see it's the one that is trying to push the market down. Let's see. On daily time frame, since we have choose let's see move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. This is what is happening on 4 hours time frame. This is the last break of structure on 4 hours time frame. This is the last break of structure on 4 hours time frame. And this is our change of character. You can see this is our change of character here, and this is our change of character order block. This is our change of character order block here. Let's see on daily time frame, because let's see, maybe you can see it's aligned with this. This is our change of character order block here. Definitely we are expecting the market to come back here. There's FEG here. So this is change of character order block. So let's move to 1 hour to redefine our market on 1 hour. You can say after market is not expecting this order block. I used to say that if you want to see perfect retracement, you can see this is not perfect retracement. So market cannot take this order block, cannot what, it's not valid, because if you want to see perfect retracement, at least at least 50% of the what of the market of the trend. You can see from year to year. If it is 50%, this other block is going to respect it, but it's not what it's not 50%. So markets try to sell this liquidity because there's space here. So that is it we have on 4 hours time frame. Let's now move to 1 hour time frame to redefine the entry. This is 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is where we are going to this is where we are going to buy the market. This is where we are going to buy the market. If we define the entry very well, this is where we are going to buy the. But if you want to join, let's join. If you can see the recent trend, this is the recent trend. The recent trend is telling us what downtrend. You can see this is the last break of structure. Market mitigated it. So let's just wait and see what is happening on this trend. This is the break of structure here. This is the break of structure here. And this is the market couldn't get this space. Let's see. This is the last break of structure here. Last break of structure. And market has closed this FEG, and this will serve as what opportunity here. Other block here. And there is FEG over here. Market has not broken this serve as liquidity. Market is going to sweat. So we are having that trade from here. We are having that trade from here. This is what we are having on GBPJPY. Seriously. And this is our take profit. Our take profit is here. Seriously. If let's move to 15-minute our entry. Since we have you can see 15-minute our entry. But I will say this will serve as liquidity for me. This will serve as liquidity for me because there's FEG over here, which market is going to swept. So let's just on 1 hour time frame, let's see what 1 hour time frame is telling us very well. This 1 hour time frame, you can see this will serve as FEG. This will serve as what? This will serve as a liquidity. And market is coming to this opportunity. Seriously. And what? Continue the uptrend. Continue the downtrend, sorry. But market we first expected this way. We think that the seller has entered. But that is liquidity. Those big boys, those big boys in the market, they know where the liquidity. This is where the liquidity is. If you can plot, if you can plot the liquidity, definitely you will be you and the big boys in the market, those investors, companies, and hedge fund, you'll be what? So this is what is happening, and these are our entry because we are having FED here on 15-minute time frame. Definitely, market is coming here. This is perfect. What? This is perfect sell. We are selling here. This is perfect sell because this is liquidity down. This is liquidity down. So on 1 hour time, let us see where yes, this is where we are taking our profits because this demand zone can be what can be strong enough to push the market. So this is liquidity down, and this is liquidity up. So this is what we are having on what GU also. Let's now move to crypto. Let's see what crypto is having for us. This is crypto. This is BTC. I think on Saturday I buy BTC on my demo account. Seriously, on my demo account on Saturday, I think I buy. Yeah, I buy BTC. Which this opportunity I see this opportunity, but I did not enter. So I did not enter the market. So let's ask for monthly time frame. You can see this is our key level monthly time frame. This is our key level also. You can see this is our key level also. This is our key level also. Those are our key level. Those are our key level, and this is the last key level. And these are key level also. There's key level here. This key level here also, but weekly as what? Let's just see what weekly is doing. This is the weekly. This is the last key level. All this one I just supposed screen it, but let's leave it. Let's leave it. Let's see what the market is trying to do on those key level. So let's follow our recent trend. This is our recent trend of weekly time frame, and this is our key level here. As for me, these are our key level here. These are our recent key level here, and these are our key level here also. You can these are key level here. As for me, these are key level here, and these are key level here. Let's just clean all these key level. Market, I'm expecting the market to mitigate this place before cutting, but market has expected this monthly time frame. But this will serve as our recent key level, and this. So let's move to daily time frame. This is what is happening on daily time frame. These are our swing high. These are our previous swing high, and these are our previous swing low. And these are our recent swing high. These are our recent swing low. You can see market is in between. Seriously, and this place has served as liquidity. This has not broken this place. If we break this way, we say this way. But this is served as liquidity because these are what? These are other block. This is supply. So let's move to 4 hours. Let's see this recent trend of 4 hours. This is the recent trend of 4 hours. You can see after market mitigated the swing low. Market is in between the swing low and the swing high. After market mitigated the swing low, on 4 hours you can see we have FED here. So all these ones serve as liquidity for me. As I used to say, it serve as liquidity for me. This is the recent break of structure. I think this analysis is from last week analysis. Market mitigated this FED, continue the uptrend. But this is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure here, but this break of structure is not fairly to say that it is good for what for retracement. Let's see, it does not reach 50. Seriously. So let's see if market can break this place, give us change of character. But you can see market respected this supply zone and continue the downtrend. This is where the market is, and we are having FED here also. So what market is telling us we are having FED. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to see what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. Because this is break of structure here. This is another break of structure here. So let's just see what the market is trying to tell us. Seriously. This is where the market is on monthly time frame. And let's see if we can read the internal structure, if we can read the change of character. So let's see, let's analyze something. Let's see the market to break this structure. If market break this structure, definitely market is coming to this FEG. Let's wait. Don't let us force the market. What market is doing now is doing liquidity here. So let's see the recent break of structure. If market can give us recent break of structure, we are taking our entry from here. This will serve as liquidity, and we are taking our entry from here. That's it on what on crypto. Let's see Ethereum also. I said, yeah, this is the and this analysis is for last week, sir. All these analysis are for last week, Charlie. So let's move to, you can see the E2 is for multi-time. This multi-time frame, these are key level. These are this key level here. We can see this are key level also. You can see market has mitigated this key level. Market has mitigated this key level and is trying to give us what? Uptrend. Let's move to weekly time frame. These are key level on weekly time frame. These are recent key level on weekly time frame here. This these are our key level. You can see these are our key level here. Let's move to daily time frame. Daily time frame is where we can see what the market is trending. These are our what? These are our swing low and these are our swing high. These are our previous what swing high and these are our first swing low. So market is in between the swing low, the recent swing low and the swing high. Market is in between the recent swing low and the swing high. What the market is doing, you can see this is liquidity for me. This is liquidity for me. The market is going to sell this place before continuing the what sell. So let's just see what is happening on 4 hours time to see the trend. This is what is happening on 4 hours time frame. You can see this is the last break of structure. After market mitigated this swing low again, the swing low try to push it up. You can see this is where the buyer is. Buyer try to push it up back and give a change of character. Market came back to this change of character order block. You can see it's where the market is. And after market is this place, what give us the option. But we can I cannot say this is change of character because this retracement is not up to 50%. This retracement is not up to 50%. You can see it's not up to 50%, so it's not valid change of characters for me. It's not valid change of character for me. To see a valid change of character, market must be 50% retracement. Seriously. So if it is 50, you can see this is danger. So let's just wait for the market to give us. I've said this month I'm not trading like a beginner again. So I want to be trading like a professional, and I want to be trading like a big boy. Since our strategy is what smart money concept and and price action. So if you can see break of structure here, let's wait and see break of structure. If you can see break of structure, definitely this is our entry. We are taking our entry from here because there's FET here. This is our liquidity. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is telling us also. This is the other block on 1 hour time frame. Market mitigated this other block and continue. You can see this is another break of structure here. Market mitigated it is going to be trying to give us downtrend. So that way they are the 50 minute time frame. I don't want to take 50 minute time frame entry. I don't want to take 50 minute time frame entry. So my advice is let's just wait for this 4 hours time frame to give us break of structure. If this 4 hours can give us break of structure, definitely we are taking this. We are taking the what? We are taking the buy from here. We are taking the buy from here. So, or if the market give us, if the market sweep this liquidity, the market sweep this liquidity, then may mitigate this other block, they are in downtrend. So this is what I, this is what we see in the market today, fam. This is what the market gave us, fam. You already know what the main thing of the market is just what. Let's be patient. Only just patient. If you are impatient and our risk management is good, so you already know in this financial market, whether you are a stock market trader or forex trader, what we just need is what our psychological was is 70, our strategy was is 20, when our risk management is what is 10%, that is 100. Psychological 20, strategy. I can say our strategy can be what can be our strategy. Let's say our strategy is 20 and our what risk management 10. Some people can say our strategy is 10% and our risk management is 20%. If you like any of the two, so that is what this is what the market gave us. Me, I'm still trying to push my $10. You understand? As I'm not doing fake life, oh, seriously. Because this trade, you guys be patient and be focused. You have to be disciplined. So my own belief is that if you can push small capital, if you can push small capital without emotion, definitely you can push big capital. So that's why I'm trying to push my small capital a little bit. If I lose this $10, I will find another $10 to what to fund my account, to fund my life account. I like as I'm pushing the small capital, because if I see which capital now, I will know how to what I will know how to handle it. Because in this industry, it's not about the what it's not about the profit you will make. It's about how long can you protect the capital. That's it. If you can protect the capital, that profit is too small. But if you can't protect the capital, how are you going to make the profit? You cannot make the profit now. So that's it. So I'm still pushing my $10. You understand? So that's it. So that's it. I don't want to be trained. Sometimes I trade. I use gold to trade demo. I trade demo with gold. Gold and silver, I trade it with them so that to boost myself. Why I trade my life account with those Forex Capital and US 30, you understand? So that I can be pushing my I can be protecting I can be trying to push that $10, you understand? So that is it. That's it. That is it. That is it. So I'm not if you did not understand, you can check my bio and message me on Telegram or Instagram. But I will prefer to message me on Telegram because that Instagram I don't used to focus on it. You understand? Or you should message me on comment section. You should message on comment section, you understand? And for my bosses, that they are professional already. If you see this guy, if you are watching my video and you see that this guy is trying, let me. But there is one two on two two that there is one to two 1 to 3 that this guy need to push up. So then you can. I'm ready. I'm ready to learn. I'm open to learn. Seriously. You already know once again. My name is what? It's AbuAges 001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to what to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first one to watch my video, to watch this education video. Seriously. So I think I will drop in some content now about this forex trading. You understand? Maybe I will try and schedule my time. I will try and do drop this this basic of forex. You understand? So some people that are calling forex gambling, some people that are calling that forex is scam, they will know that forex is not a scam because there is what there is huge people inside this forex that this forex cannot crash. It cannot crash. Financial market cannot crash since there is different currency, and since there is what there is stock market, there is companies, it cannot crash. Seriously, only what you can expect is that you can meet, your broker your broker can crash if they are lack of liquidity, if they are insufficient of liquidity for them to what to carry on the platform. They can crash. Your broker can be scammer. I cannot deny about it. But financial market, it has been what it has been a long, as since 80 something safe, before you and I was born. So this is what we have to do. Kindly watch the video and see what is happening. Thanks, peace and love. Have a peaceful day. Have a profitable week ahead, and have a profitable, successful week ahead. And any other skills we are doing, today is our day. Peace and love. Thanks.